All right, this is super important, so pay attention. No matter what platform you are on for using emails, you need to be backing up your contacts. So if the platform goes down, if you lose access to it, if your email system gets hacked, your email list is still yours. But just to be sure that you'll always have your contacts that you can take with you to whatever platform you go to, you have to be backing it up. And unfortunately, this is almost never talked about. We always talk about your email list is yours, it belongs to you, you can't lose access to it. You can if you're not backing it up. So I'm going to show you behind the scenes of one or two platforms, but any platform that you are using for email marketing has a way for you to export your contacts as a CSV file. I want you to be doing that at least once a month so that if for whatever reason the platform goes down, or if you decide you want to move to a different platform, that you take those contacts with you, you'll be able to re-upload that. It's a spreadsheet, and I'll show you that process as well. It's a little bit different on every platform, but you can always look up how do I export or import my CSV file into whatever platform it is that you're using. Right now I'm in the process of moving my contacts from Kartra to Clixlo, so I'm going to show you how that works. So I have selected the leads that are under a certain tag so that I can download them separately and keep those distinctions so it's not just one mass of people. I've selected them. I'm going to scroll down to export. Okay, now I'm going to rename it before I get confused about what it was. Where'd you go? Oh, came up on this other monitor. Okay, so I'm renaming it. Now I'm going to take it over to my new platform. Now I'm going over here to contacts, and I'm going to import contacts. Grab that same CSV file that I just downloaded. There it is. Let it upload. Next, it's going to map the fields. So this is telling it which part of that spreadsheet is the name, which part is the email address, etc. So first name is right, last name is right. Yep, a bunch of stuff that I don't need. So don't import data in unmeshed. Okay, I'll be right there, sweetie. Not right now, honey. Okay, so this will take a few minutes. Okay, so that's currently processing, and it's nice and simple bringing it into Clixlo. Bringing things into Kartra is a little more complicated. You have to explain what lead magnet you use to get the people on your list. They're very picky about making sure that you've legally and ethically obtained your leads, which is a good thing. But Clixlo is not going to ask as many questions. So we just wait for that to import, and then it will be its own separate list that we can then work from. And if you need to export your lists from Clixlo, then you just click here, select which ones you want to group together, and download. So I recommend, again, doing this at least once a month, downloading all your contacts so that no matter what happens with your email platform, if you need to move to a new one or get kicked out or for whatever reason, that you always have your contacts. You don't want to lose access to those people who opted in to hear from you. More videos on Clixlo and how to use it right here.